Are you getting playback failed error message in Stremio? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you need to open Stremio app and check streaming server, which is very important. So after opening Stremio app, you need to go to the settings option, and then you need to look for the streaming option. You can see streaming is showing here. You can see my server is online as of now, so make sure to check it. If it is not showing online, then you need to restart your Stremio and restart your PC, and make sure to temporarily disable Windows Firewall and antivirus, and then check back again. After that, you can restart Stremio as an administrator. Maybe this is causing the issue. Just right click here and click on run as administrator. Make sure to press on Windows and R, and here you tap percentage beta percentage and click on OK button, and herein you need to look for the Stremio application. So open this Stremio app, and then you need to open this Stremio server. You can see this Stremio cache showing. Just right click here and click on delete option, delete this folder, this cache folder. So again go to the settings of your Stremio. After that, after going to settings, you need to click on this player option. Just type this player option, enable always video external. Herein you need to scroll down and turn on this option hardware accelerator decoding. Just turn this option on. So this could be the add-on issue as well. You can see there is a puzzle or icon here showing add-ons. Just turn on this puzzle icon, and you can see there are so many add-ons which I have installed. So you need to uninstall some troubling add-ons, which you can see uninstall option is showing. Which you are not using add-ons, just turn the add-ons off and uninstall them. After that, you need to restart your Stremio and restart your PC and check whether you are getting this error or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.